Hi, my name is Jessica Paola Rojas Hernandez, and this is my presentation of English 7. In this case is science and religion. This work is for the area English 7, task 4, speaking part of Cambridge C1 Advance. Okay, let's go. One moment, please. Okay. The science. Science moves in the field of the study of that part of reality that is verifiable. Sorry, one moment, please. Okay. The religion moves in the realm of the meaning of our lives, which is an experience in part communicable. They are two independent spheres that can question each other, dialogue, and for some scientists, integrate. The next is religion. Religion moves in the realm of the meaning of our lives, which is an experience in part communicable. They are two independent spheres that question each other, dialogue, and for some sense integrate. The human being has a double spiritual and social dimension that originates the fact of the appearance of the different religions and organizational forms of spirituality, critics of spirituality, a social structures with insufficiency and organizational structures or defects has been able to cause the denial of the spiritual dimension of men. The next is the religion and or versus science. It is commonplace to believe that science and religion go their separate ways. Reason on one side and fight on the other, although examples abound. That cold prop that all prejudice prejudice history also guides as dozens of cases that show a peaceful and even complementary coexistence between the two, obviously. Are they as different as they seem, it is possible to reconcile them. Today, a dilemma is supposed to be a choice between believing in science and science or religion. I'll get to that later because I use their belief to the degree that they are considered to be mutually exclusive. And those of a pretend side of science are the intelligent or so yes, intelligent or sensible ones, and those of the one on religion are ignorant or fanatic. Of of course, it is true that we can find intelligent and sensible people one side and ignorant and fanatical on the other, but this applies to both, and it is cunning to characterize sometimes by its strengths. Science and religion are the two most important world bodies. They are global phenomena present throughout the history of mankind. The relation between science and religion can be approached from 3 points of view: historical, epistemological, and sociological. The first, okay, this is the context. The next, this is a possible question that the teacher or my or other person, what does science owe to Christian culture? It's so difficult, and this is my answer. Sorry, 1 moment. Okay. Neither science owes anything to Christian culture, nor vice versa. They are separate things. In everything is the Middle Age, the Dark Age case, religious prejudice, and the little understanding of biblical passage made the church stop scientific advance, and certain discoveries areas were declared. So Christianity has been a burden for truth and science. However, Christianity always goes hand in hand with science. All is this. This is my opinion. And so some biblical miracles now with scientific advance have understanding magnetic charge of water in a laboratory. They produce it on a small scale, the separation of the waters, and they call is the most effect. The conception of Maria is not so strange. It's in a world with a vitro fertilization, or those who know genetics. This is my answer for this question. So this is the finale of my presentation. Thank you very much. I see you in other occasion. Bye.